Hi everyone, I'm Cristina Fábrega from La Rozas Innova, and we're going to be presenting our GovTech challenge, which is how to improve the monitoring and population control of wild boars in La Rozas. So this challenge is led by us, La Rozas Innova, and La Rozas City Council through its health department. And for those of you who don't know where La Rozas is, it's a city located northwest of Madrid with a population of around 100,000 inhabitants. And La Rozas Innova is the public innovation company of La Rozas City Council that boosts the technology ecosystem by connecting talent, companies, investors, government, and all of that behind a smart city strategy. So to give you a little bit of context, the municipality of La Rozas is surrounded by natural areas and has a significant presence of wild boars. Now, wild boars are a valuable part of the ecosystem as all the animals, but their population has grown uncontrollably, mainly because of the proximity between forest and urban zones, and also because of the availability of food in the city. That is the thing that encourages them to enter into populated areas. So wild boars are not the problem. The problem is when they get in contact with urban areas where people and infrastructures are there. So this increases incidents affecting safety, public health, coexistence, and reflects a wider trend that is also happening in many other Spanish municipalities. So these incidents leads to higher risk, and they're forcing now more than ever public administrations to adopt like more complex management strategies. So in terms of data, in the Madrid region since 2012, there's been an average of 120 wild boar related accidents per year. That means almost one every 3 days. And specifically in La Rozas, last year there were more than 130 interventions by municipal teams to manage wild boar incidents. Now, wild boar management in La Rozas is led by the municipal health department with an external provider. It's called ADA. It's a company that has more than 30 years of experience in the field, and they're the ones that handles field operations and incident response. So now the current system relies mainly on selective capture using cages that are equipped with sensors, and when they detect a wild boar, it closes. Okay, so just to move them from the urban areas, and these sensors are also connected through alerts for remote monitoring. But the performance right now depends a lot of external factors such as weather seasons or food availability. That are the factors that drives wild boars more or less into urban areas. So it's like an inconsistent process. And overall, the system right now lacks an integrated approach that can combine the detection, monitoring, and management in like only one solutions. So right now we're looking for solutions that can improve how wild boar incidents are managed in urban environments by the first thing, increasing detection accuracy and reducing unnecessary interventions, because sometimes the cages can detect another animal that is not the wild boar, so like be more precise with it. Also being able to remote monitoring to cut operational cost of those physical teams, like human teams that need to move to those areas to manage the incidents. And also, and the most important thing is it needs to fully integrate data, also include citizen input, and be connected with the municipal systems. In this case, La Rozas City Platform, which if you want more information, we can email if you later. And all of this with the goal to minimize the need for reactive interventions and move to a more preventive mode. So not be there when the incident happens, but being able to prevent it. And by that also ensuring animal welfare. Okay. So now we think this is a strong pilot of opportunity because the technology can be replicated in other municipalities that now have the same problem. Also, it can be adapted to other species of urban or wild fauna. And also you would get to work with La Rozas, which is a leading city in biodiversity management, and also with a department that is less exposed to innovation. So in one way or another, it ensures real impact. So now if you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you're a little shy about asking right now, or you have like more specific questions, you can also email me or my colleague Elvira. So thank you. That's all.